In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a spreadsheet using Claude. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like the video so more people can see it. So I don't know if you know this, but you can actually create spreadsheets and documents using Claude. So the first thing you're going to do is open Claude AI and you're going to ask it to create a spreadsheet, and you're also going to give it all the necessary information that it needs in order to create one. So I'm going to start with the prompt to ask Claude to help me create a spreadsheet to track all my expenses. So Claude could start asking you questions, but of course, this all depends on how well the AI knows you. The more you use Claude, the better it's going to understand you and get your demands. As you can see, Claude shows you exactly what it's doing to create your spreadsheet, and in less than a few seconds, it's going to give you one. For example, this one has a date, a category, a description, if it's business or personal, how I paid for it, and the amount. In just a few seconds, you're able to create a spreadsheet that you can use for different things. I just use my expenses as an example. That is it, you guys. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, don't forget to like it. I'll see you in the next one.